Hello everyone, Dan Toombs, the Curry Guy here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to feather some birds. I've got quite a few partridges here. I like knowing where my food comes from, and this one came from the field in back of my house. So these are, I've got 8 partridges. I'm going to show you how it's done very quickly, and it's freezing out here, so I'm not going to want to stay out here very long because I'm getting kind of cold. Anyway, you got your partridge there. These were just shot the other day. Take the feathers from the back, the wings in the back, and I usually just start ripping from the tail end. Try not to make a mess here. And you're just going to go all the way around the bird like this. Right up to the neck. The water helps me get the feathers off. My hands are a bit wet there. And we'll turn it over and we'll start taking out the back feathers. I absolutely love game, especially partridge, pheasant. It doesn't have it doesn't have a strong flavor. It still has a gamey flavor, but it just has more to it than just normal chicken. What I'm going to be doing with these, once I've got them all cleaned up and ready, is I'm going to be marinating them in just a very basic marinade. Let's get down here to the legs. Pull the tail off. I'm going to be using them in a very basic marinade, which you can use on anything. So if you don't have the partridges, or you don't feel like getting your hands all feathery, then you can use the same marinade on that too. And we're gonna just get the rest of the feathers off here, off the leg. Any feathers that are left over, I usually just burn them off over the gas flame, but I usually get most of them. As you can see there, it's pretty feathered. Alright, so that's about ready to go. Now with the wings, you're not going to get very much, especially on these smaller birds, you're not going to get very much from the wings. So I usually just take as many as I can off the first joint. And then I take it from the joint, so I don't have to dull my knife. I just twist that around there, rip it off. And do the same with the other. Get those all off there. I'm going to deserve this dinner tonight. Here we are. Okay, so the last thing we have to do is we'll go in here with a knife. I'm going to take out its last dinner. Because I don't want to eat it. Take its head off. Take the legs off. Some people leave those on. You can if you want. I tend to take them off. And then we're just going to go right in here, cut it open at the back, and rip out everything inside because you don't want to be eating that. There you have it. Only took me a few minutes to do that. I'll go inside after this, clean them all up. My wife doesn't let me bring them in until they're nice and clean. But I should be able to take that in and she won't mind too much. There you have it. And we're going to be marinating that, putting it in the tandoor oven, and it's going to be amazing. Like I say, you can use the same recipe I'm going to be using for that recipe, which you'll see right there, or is it right there? And you'll be able to use chicken whatever you like with the marinade. Hope you've liked this, And please subscribe if you liked the video and you liked cooking curries and all that. I hope you subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it, and I've got a lot more videos to come. Thanks a lot.